This video is for the 5th grade assignment 6. First, you're going to go to Weebly.com and click on Login up at the top, and then you'll click on G+ Login. Next, what you're going to do is click on the X that appears once you're logged in. So that's going to be right there. And then you're going to click on Edit Site. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to search for a picture that you're going to add to your website. So you're actually going to open up another tab, and then you want to just do a search for your location. And then what you're going to do is click on Images, and you're going to find a picture that you want. So for example, I'm going to use this one right here. So I'm going to click on that, and then you're going to save it to your Google Drive account. So you're going to put your pointer on it and then do a 2-finger click like this, and then choose Save Image As. From here, you're going to click on Google Drive, and then you'll click on Save down at the bottom. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to the Weebly tab. So click on the Weebly tab, and then you're going to rest your pointer on the picture that's there and click on Edit Image. Then you're going to click on Change Image down at the bottom. And from here, you're going to click Upload Image. And then you're going to click on Upload a Photo from your computer. And then what should happen is you'd click on your Google Drive account, and you should see your picture. I happen to have a bunch of stuff, but you'll be able to see your picture, and then you'll click on Open. And then it should change to your picture. Now, what you can do, notice how when I put my pointer on it, it's 4 arrows. I can move it to where I want it. And I also have the option to zoom in more. I also have the option to darken it. So if I can't read the welcome, I can darken it. Then what you'll do is you'll click on the drop-down arrow next to Save and click on Save to All Pages. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to cite the picture. So you're going to click back over to the tab where you found your picture, click on Visit Page. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click up at the top where the URL is, and you're going to hit Control-C on your keyboard to copy it. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and open up a new tab, and then you're going to go to Easybib.com. From here, what you're going to do is click on all 59 options, and then you'll click on, whoops, got to scroll down a little bit, click on Digital Image. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put in a description of it next to description. So for example, mine is the Freedom Trail seal, so I'm just going to go ahead and type that. And then you're going to scroll down a little bit. And then what you're going to do is put in the website title. Now to find the website title, you'll just click back over to where you found it, and it's usually up at the top. So for mine, it's MITSOS. So I'm just going to go ahead and type that in my title. And then we're going to paste the URL. So you're going to click where it says URL and then do Control-V on the keyboard to paste. You're going to click Yes next to Display URL, then click Today in order to show today's date as being when you accessed it, and then scroll down a little bit, click on Create Citation. What you're going to do next is you're going to click and drag to highlight the citation that appears under Hooray, Here's Your New Citation. And then you're going to hit Control and C on your keyboard. Then you're going to click back over to the Weebly tab, and you're going to click and drag a text box to go directly under the picture, so right here. And then you're going to click inside that text box and hit Control-V on your keyboard. And then if you want, you can go ahead and highlight the whole thing and hit the minus sign to shrink the font size, because it doesn't need to be too big since it's just for the picture. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to search for the address of your location. So you're going to open up another tab, and then you're going to type in address of, and then whatever location you're doing. And then you should be able to find the address. So here's the address for my location. So what I'm going to do is click and drag to highlight it, and then do Control-C on the keyboard to copy it. Then what we're going to do is go over to Weebly, and then you're going to click and drag the map box over on the right hand side, so right about here. And then what you're going to do is it's going to come up with a map. If it's too big like that, what you're going to need to do actually is you're going to have to just make sure that you X out of it and then delete. And then what you want to do is you want to just be careful and make sure that you put it farther down toward the bottom. There we go. Then what you're going to do is click on the map that appears, and then you're going to get rid of where it says San Francisco, California, and you're going to put in the address that you just copied by doing Control V on your keyboard. Then you're going to click anywhere outside the map. So I kind of just clicked on the right hand side, and now it's showing the map of my location. The last thing I'm going to do is click and drag a text box to appear under the map. And from here, what I'm going to do is click where it says click here to edit, and I'm going to type in the word address with a colon, and then I'm going to hit Control V on the keyboard so that we can see the address, and that's it.